Examples of YouTube automation channels across various niches. In the previous chapter, we discussed key considerations for niche selection. We're going to share with you successful YouTube channels in random niches. All of them are faceless YouTube automation channels who are making tens of thousands of dollars per month. The reason for showcasing these channels is to show that you don't need to start from scratch. There is no need to reinvent the wheel. There is no magic niche. We're highlighting the vast opportunities available. Don't forget to look at the number of subscribers each channel has and their video views. These are random YouTube channels from different niches. The first one is called Baby Shark, and just look at the views it has. This video has 14 billion views. Now that is something you do not get to see every day. This channel is called Hook. It's about inspiring stories. This channel has a German-sounding name, meaning in a nutshell. Company Man. This channel is about business and marketing. Nino's Home. It's a channel about recipes and dishes. This channel is called Philosophies, for life is all about giving ancient wisdom for a modern living. Next, we have a channel called Academy of Ideas, which is about general knowledge. This channel is called The Richest, which provides news and analysis of how celebrities and entrepreneurs earn and spend money. Ulux is a community about luxury and fine living enthusiasts. Mr. Nightmare is a channel about scary true stories and events. Wicked Wombat is a channel about viral videos captured from all over the world. Next, we have Body Hub, which is a science-based health and fitness channel. Natural Cures is a channel which brings health information and tips for people looking natural ways to treat and heal ailments. Brainy Dose brings you high-quality informational and educational videos. Charisma on Command makes videos to help you learn how to be more confident, how to make people laugh, and how to be more likable. Practical Wisdom is a channel for sharing knowledge and wisdom on the internet. Magnates Media is a channel about business, marketing, and money. King Luxury is a channel that makes videos covering the exceptional comfort that stylish luxury provides. Top Think brings you videos about psychology, self-improvement, and lifestyle. Skills Factory has videos made by a group of freelancers delivering IT skills. Top 10 Zone will tell you about the coolest new stuff and explain how it works and why you should buy it or not. Future Tech helps you discover the latest tech and coolest gadgets on Amazon. Welcome to the world according to Briggs. If you're thinking about moving, retiring, or just want to see cool places, this is a great channel. Its history is a channel about discovering American heritage. The B1M is a channel about the love of construction. Real Life Lore is a channel that talks about history, geography, and science. Nonstop is a channel about sports culture in the U.S. Goodful is a channel about healthy self-care needs, from food to fitness and everything in between. Rain Sound Natural is a YouTube channel about the sound of rain. ASMR Soap. This is a YouTube channel focused on ASMR, autonomous sensory meridian response, content specifically related to soap cutting and carving. ASMR videos aim to induce a calming and pleasurable sensation in viewers. Dream. This channel is about gaming, mostly Minecraft. Just check the views on the videos. We just reviewed dozens of channels, each with millions of views and subscribers. None of these channels show the creator's face. Some even get more views than famous influencers who show their faces and engage in various activities to attract viewers. The purpose of highlighting these channels is to demonstrate that there are numerous niches available to start a YouTube channel. However, having a genuine interest in the niche, along with the other key factors for niche selection discussed in the previous chapter, is crucial. Let's see some more practical examples of niches to deepen our understanding of the concept. Let's suppose we have finalized house decoration as a niche because we have a genuine interest and passion for it. Now, let's verify if the niche you selected for your YouTube channel is viable. It's important to see if others are creating content in that niche. If people are making content in the selected niche, it indicates that it is relevant and there is demand for content in that particular area. Go to the search bar on YouTube and enter "How to decorate your house." See the results. There are a few things to look out for. You should check when the last content was uploaded in this niche and how many views it received. As you can see, this video has over 650,000 views and is over 2 years old. Let's scroll down. This one has 59 million views and it's 2 years old. Some videos are 8 months old only. That's a good sign. It means the niche is viable. If people are watching and creating content in it, then there's demand and relevance for this niche. Alright, let's use another search term as an example. How about top 5 places to visit in France? As you can see, both new and old videos appear in the search results. This indicates that it is an active and evergreen niche. You'll find videos from several years ago as well as relatively recent ones. This niche is also viable. For our third example, let's look at fidget spinners, which were very popular around 6 to 7 years ago. As you can see, most of the videos are from that period of 6 to 7 years ago when fidget spinners were a major trend. However, no one is currently making content in this niche, since the trend has significantly declined and currently, no one is making new content in this niche. This lack of recent activity indicates that the interest in fidget spinners has waned, and the niche is no longer relevant or in demand. Therefore, it would be wise to avoid choosing this niche for your YouTube channel. You can repeat this exercise to evaluate the top 3 niches you have selected. By searching for content in each of your chosen niches, you can gather valuable information about their viability. Look at the frequency and recency of videos being posted, as well as the number of views they receive. This will help you determine if there is ongoing interest and demand in these niches. Once you have finalized your niche, this method is an effective way to assess its potential and ensure that you are entering a market with an active and engaged audience.